Something that I found very interesting is, when I was thinking about working with a real estate agent, I thought that they were going to be completely on top of what is out there. And the second it's available, I should be aware of that. But on the negative side, I felt like I was finding out what was available and then bringing it to them.
Do you think that's because you're, as a consumer, more savvy and just seeing what's out there? It's more interesting, more easily accessible to you? Or do you think it was them as the agent? They just didn't care and weren't on top of things?
On the negative side, I have to go towards not on top of things because it's like, why am I every day, couple times a day on not just relying on MLS? There's a million other listing services and other platforms that are, you got to keep your hand, your finger on the pulse. And, I know that Zillow doesn't necessarily have the best information, or realtor.com or Redfin or whatever, insert whichever platform, but it doesn't matter. Like, I know MLS is the system of truth, but you still need to be aware of what else is going on out there.